In this video, we shall be starting about what are phospholipids. So let us study what are these phosphatids or phospholipids. First of all, the definition. These are the complex or compound lipids. These are complex or compound lipids which contain one phosphoric acid that contain one phosphoric acid in addition to fatty acid a nitrogenous base can also be present and an alcohol, nitrogenous base plus an alcohol. So this is the basic configuration for a phospholipid. Now there are two classes of phospholipids. Now under the classification, we can divide phospholipids into two categories. Number one, glycerophospholipids, that is glycerophospholipids now in these glycerophospholipids the alcohol is glycerol. The alcohol present is glycerol. Now comes the second category. The second category is sphingophospholipids. Now in sphingophospholipids the alcohol is sphingosine. The alcohol used is sphingosine. Alcohol present in sphingophospholipids is sphingosine. Now let us discuss glycerophosphate first of all in detail. What are the glycerophospholipids? To understand the glycerophospholipids, we must first draw the structure for the phospholipids. How does a phospholipid occurs? What is the basic configuration for a phospholipid? Now I am drawing the structure for phospholipid. Kindly pay attention. First of all, presence of a phosphoric acid or a phosphate group is compulsory in phospholipids. So this is our phosphate group. This phosphate group is attached to an alcohol which is generally glycerol, we can say. Now the third part is a fatty acid. The third is a fatty acid, that is generally the lipid part of the phospholipids. Now we are going to attach fatty acid here. So this can be any fatty acid. I am writing a simple structure for it. Another fatty acid at the third carbon of the alcohol. Sorry, at the oxygen. So this is our phospholipid. This is the structure for phospholipids. Let's once again see. First is the phosphate group. So where is the phosphate group present? See this. I am highlighting the phosphate group. So this is the phosphate group. This is the phosphate group. The next is the alcohol. So now I am representing the alcohol I'm highlighting it with a different color. You can see. Now this is an alcohol group. This is an alcohol group. Now the last one is our lipid part, the fatty acid. So we can also highlight a fatty acid. So this is our lipid portion, the fatty acids present. This is our lipid portion. So these are the fatty acids, our lipid portion. In combination, these three molecules together combine to form a phospholipid. They together combine to form a phospholipid. So now let us discuss the structure for glycerophospholipids. What are glycerophospholipids? First one, that is glycerophospholipids. I hope students it is clear to you here what are phospholipids, how they are formed, what is the basic configuration. First revise them. In our next class we shall be studying about the classification of phospholipids regarding glycerophospholipids and sphingophospholipids.